Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to pay bills using the GCash app. Perfect for beginners. So step 1, open the GCash app and tap on Pay Bills. Step 2, browse or search for the biller such as Meralco, Globe, Maynilad, etc. Step 3, enter the requirement billing details like account number, amount, and reference info. Step 4, review the information and tap Next. Step 5, confirm the transaction and wait for the success message. Step 6, you will receive an SMS and app receipt for record keeping. So, and that's it. You've just paid your bills easily and securely through GCash. Easy, right? So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.